Hi, my name is Joseph Jezequel. I'm here to share a tech tip with you, which is Minecraft education. So, at my school, they use Minecraft education, which the great thing about Minecraft education is that there is almost an unlimited possibilities of what you can do with it. First of all, the kids love gaming, which makes them more interested in what it is. In Minecraft education, you can build and create, which is a great creation tool, and we know that's like in Bloom's taxonomy, that's the level that we want to hit. You can also solve problems. You can do science and math problems. You can work together as a team to solve different quests and things like that. You can explore all these different worlds. You can see I added a couple pictures in here that the students can go through. They can actually even solve real world issues, which is pretty cool as well. And the other thing about the real world issues is that you can actually connect and play with people across the globe. It doesn't have to just be with people in your class or even in your school. Additionally, it's preparing these students for a digital future. We know that technology is exponentially increasing and becoming more popular in different features of our life. And I believe the students are it's very important that they have as much technology in their hands and use at a young age as possible to get them prepared for that. Additionally, it works with social emotional skills. We know that since dealing with the pandemic these past couple years, that everyone's social emotional health is basically a roller coaster ride with everything that's been going on, whether we've been sheltered in our homes or not seeing friends or family for extended periods of time or even losing friends or family. And this is obviously a great tool to help with that to keep kids motivated in school. It's also cross curricular. So you're using different elements of different courses and subjects in the same game and in the same aspect. And as I already mentioned, the best part about this is that you can use it for distance learning, which could be whether it's kids can work with this at home or at school and be playing together. And there doesn't actually necessarily have to be a connection with kids at the school. I also added this awesome little trailer video here at the end to kind of give a little bit more about it. I wanted to share it, so here we go.